Long ago, when the seasons moved in quiet harmony, something began to change in the land of Arendelle. Elsa felt it before anyone else did. Her ice no longer danced with gentle sparkle beneath the sun. It grew heavy, thick, and dark, like winter clouds holding too much snow. When she raised her hands, the cold rushed out faster than she wished, spreading farther than before and leaving the air sharp and still. Elsa tried to hide the change from her people. She smiled when they smiled and spoke kindly when they spoke to her. But inside, worry curled like frost around her heart. She walked alone into the mountains, shaping ice far from anyone who might be hurt by it. She built tall towers and deep walls, hoping distance would solve everything. But the more Elsa tried to control everything by herself, the colder she felt inside. Her magic listened to her fear and grew heavier still. At night, she dreamed of a frozen heart buried deep beneath the earth, beating slowly and sadly, trapped in ice too thick to crack. Far away, in a bright kingdom filled with sunflowers and warm stone towers, Rapunzel felt something slipping from her too. Her golden hair still glowed, but not steadily. Sometimes it shone strong and warm like summer sunlight. Other times it flickered, faint like a lantern running out of oil. When she sang her healing song, it still worked. But afterwards she felt quiet and tired, as if her light had given away too much of itself. Rapunzel sat by her window one evening, brushing her hair gently as lanterns floated into the sky below. She watched their soft glow drift higher and higher. "My light feels lonely," she whispered, pressing her hand to her chest. That same night, a soft voice rose from the earth itself. It carried through snow and soil, through roots and stone, through valleys and mountains. Elsa heard it echo through the ice beneath her feet. Rapunzel heard it hum through her glowing hair. "The heart of seasons is fading." The voice was not loud, but it was strong. It called to both of them with gentle urgency. Elsa followed the voice across frozen rivers and silent forests. Snow crunched beneath her boots as the stars shimmered above. Rapunzel followed it across green hills and glowing valleys, her hair lighting the path ahead. Though they traveled far apart, the same pole guided them forward. At last, their paths met in a hidden valley, where winter and summer touched without fear. Snow rested beside soft grass. Ice flowers bloomed next to golden vines. The air felt calm, as if holding its breath. At the center of the valley stood a tall crystal tree. Its roots were frozen solid, trapped in thick blue ice, but thin streams of golden light ran through its trunk. Flickering like a tired heartbeat, struggling to stay strong, Rapunzel stepped closer, her eyes wide with wonder and concern. "This is the heart of seasons," she said softly. "It feeds both our magic." Elsa felt a pull in her chest, deep and aching. "My ice comes from here. When it weakens, my magic grows heavy and dark." Rapunzel nodded slowly, "And my light fades when the balance breaks." The tree trembled. Cracks spread across its crystal bark. Dark frost crawled along the roots while the golden light twisted and dimmed, struggling to shine. "We must fix it," Elsa said firmly, stepping forward. "I will freeze the cracks closed." "And I will heal it with my song," Rapunzel replied, lifting her glowing hair. They worked quickly, each focused on her own strength. Elsa shaped strong walls of ice, sealing every crack she could see. Rapunzel sang with all her heart, pouring golden light into the tree. But something felt wrong. The ice grew darker instead of clearer. The light flickered faster instead of growing steady. The crystal tree groaned as if in pain. "Stop," whispered the heart of seasons. "You are carrying too much alone." Elsa froze in place, her breath shaking. "I have always protected others by standing alone," she admitted quietly. Rapunzel lowered her voice, her song fading. "I have always helped everyone else before myself." The valley shook. Snow fell onto flowers, freezing them in place. Warm air rose and vanished too quickly. The seasons clashed instead of blending, pulling the land apart. Elsa felt fear rise in her chest. "I am afraid to let others help me. What if I hurt them?" Rapunzel felt tears fall onto her glowing hair. "I am afraid to admit that I am tired." They looked at each other and reached out, hands meeting gently between ice and light. Elsa felt warmth travel through her gloves. Rapunzel felt calm settle in her heart. "We do not have to be strong alone," Elsa said softly. "And we do not have to shine all the time," Rapunzel replied with a small smile. This time, they slowed down. Elsa shaped her ice gently, letting it form clear paths instead of heavy walls. She left space for warmth to move through. Rapunzel let her light flow softly, like sunlight through leaves, not forcing it to shine brighter than it could. Golden light wove through clear crystal ice. Warmth melted darkness. Cold shaped and protected the light instead of crushing it. Together, their magic moved like a quiet song. The heart of seasons glowed brighter. Ice turned clear and light. The golden glow steadied, spreading into the frozen roots. Water flowed gently into the earth, feeding grass and flowers, restoring balance. The crystal tree stood tall again. The valley breathed. Elsa laughed softly, her breath misting in the air. "My ice feels free." Rapunzel spun lightly, her hair glowing warm and steady. "My light feels peaceful." The heart spoke one last time. Winter needs warmth. Light needs rest. Strength grows when shared. As the sun set, Elsa and Rapunzel walked together through the valley. Snowflakes drifted gently beside floating lanterns. Cold and warmth lived side by side without fear. When Elsa returned to Arendelle, her eyes sparkled once more, light and bright. When Rapunzel returned home, her glow shone calm and strong. Deep beneath the earth, the heart of seasons beat steady and true. That night, snow fell softly. Lanterns glowed warmly. And the world slept, balanced, gentle, and whole.